The galahs were quick to take advantage of the new foods. They were not fussy eaters and went just about everywhere, eating almost anything. Today, there's barely a patch of Australia without these extroverted cockies. But the opportunistic galahs were not the only ones to try new foods. The less common Major Mitchell cockatoos have recently acquired a taste for paddy melons. These inquisitive birds have little trouble working out some fancy footwork to break into the fruit. Their new cuisine arrived as part of an exotic smorgasbord. The choosy males will try 2 or 3 different drumsticks before they settle on one that they really like.
When they actually perform the drumming display at the nest, it does seem to have a rhythm. But when he's finished with it, he'll often sit at the edge of the hollow and splinter up the stick and add it to the nesting platform that's inside the hollow.
If the female is impressed, she will walk down and join him at the entrance of the nest to see if it's good enough to breed in. With the hollow approved, they can fly off to have a morning snack. The local birds gather at trees that are in fruit.
That really powerful beak that palm cockatoos have, which is by far the biggest beak of any of the cockatoos, it allows them to eat foods that other cockatoos and other animals in general just simply can't access. I think palm cockatoos are very intelligent. You've only got to watch a pair courting at their nest or a male fashioning a drumstick to realise that there is complicated thought going in that big head of theirs.
Of course, these regal palm cockatoos are not the only clever ones. All parrots are smart. Whereas most birds only learn when they're young, parrots continue through long lives to accumulate knowledge and pass it on to their mob. With breeding hollows scarce, most of these cockies are single. The local watering hole is their pick-up joint, and the evening quickly turns into a boisterous party. Younger birds flirt by displaying the colour banding on their tails and erecting their crests. These fancy pop-up crests are what distinguish cockatoos from the other parrots.